Hello,
Hello, I'm here and ready to help. I can assist you with looking at your camera feed if you have video enabled.
Kimi K2.5, the most powerful open source model at the time of recording this video. It excels in agentic coding and visual understanding. We have integrated that with Vision Agents, a free and open source framework for building video, vision, and voice AI applications in pure Python. Let's create a very simple voice AI agent with coding and excellent vision capabilities. It can answer questions about the user's video camera feed and help them perform coding tasks via screen sharing. To create a Kimi K2.5 agent in Python, we need to construct a voice pipeline consisting of 10 tokens using Smart 10, OpenAI Chat Completions API for accessing the Kimi K2.5 model. We need DeepGram for speech-to-text, 11 Labs for text-to-speech, and Stream Edge for low-latency audio and video transport. To be able to run the voice demo, you need Moonshot API key, Stream API key, and also OpenAI API key. Next, you should initialize a new Python project using UV is recommended. Then, you install Vision Agent and all the required plugins, OpenAI, GetStream, DeepGram, 11 Labs, and Smart 10. You don't see Moonshot as a plugin because we will access the Kimi K2.5 model via the OpenAI Chat Completions API. After installing Vision Agents and all the required plugins, you need to add the following imports and initialize the Kimi K2.5 model. You have noticed here we are accessing it via the OpenAI Chat Completions API. So these are the required parameters, the model you want to use. So we specify the model as Kimi K2.5, the latest model from Moonshot AI with coding and vision capabilities. We specify the base URL as this one and also get the API credential from the .env. Next, you create a new agent in Vision Agents using the agent class by specifying all the following parameters. We give the agent instructions on how to behave towards users and how to respond to them. We add the LLM we want to use, that is the Kimi K2.5 model, and specify the speech-to-text component as DeepGram. We have the text-to-speech. We add 11 Labs as the text-to-speech component and specify the 10 detection as well. So in this example, we are using Smart 10. The last component of the agent's definition is an optional processor for processing video, audio, and image. In this example, we are not using the processor. To be able to interact with the voice agent, we need to create a new video call using Stream Video and join the call as well in order to establish real-time voice and video communication. And lastly, we save the agent. So let's run the voice agent by bringing the terminal and run the Python script. Hello?
Hello, I'm here and ready to help. I can assist you with vision and video, analyzing what your camera sees or helping with video content, screen sharing, guiding you through coding tasks, debugging.
So for a basic usage of the Kimi K2.5 model in Vision Agents, you need only three parameters. Model, which is a string that specifies the Kimi K2 model snapshot you want to use. Then we have the API key. You can set the API key in a .env file. You can also store it in the Z profile of your machine. The last parameter is the base URL, which defines the Moonshot API endpoint. In the demo, you noticed we specified the model as Kimi K2.5. There are also other available models. So all these Moonshot models are available in Vision Agents and also through the Moonshot API. Kimi K2.5 also supports function calling, so you can use it for automatic tool invocation. To try the demo in this video and also get started with Vision Agents and Kimi K2.5, you can check all the links in the description of the video.